Greetings, Steve here at, you know the name of the place, West Green. The uncompleted railway, but there's going to be a lot happening this year, I can tell you. Today's a great day. I've got the grandkids here. I've got Olivia, she's 3, and Jake, he's 5. And I'm just simply letting them play with a locomotive feature running up and down my layout. Because really, that's what it's all about. Spending time with the grandkids. Let's see what they're up to. I'll have a look at this too. This is the wagon. I made the tarp for it. Can you hear that? Olivia doesn't want to play anymore. Alright Olivia, I'll play. I'll play with Jake. Yeah. No, just leave it. This is Olivia. And this handsome man at the back, this is Jake. Say hello, Olivia. Olivia got fed up of it, so we're going to shunt some wagons. So I'll bring up the J50 and we'll pick these wagons up. Here it comes. Got some dodgy track here, I've got to fix up. Still running it shows the problems. So, I'm going to bring this onto the main line. That's the intention anyway. Jake, take yours the other way.
Bring mine down for another landing.
I'm going to teach Jake how to shunt trains the amateur way.
Am I safe?
Yeah, you can go. I'm very proud of my grandson Jake. He's using this lens controller. First time he's used it. You're doing alright with that, aren't you, Jake? Hey, you'll be teaching Poppy soon.
So do we go on? Should I go?
He's putting the L1 into the into the loco spur. Hold on, Jake. What do we do now, Jake? Have we got to change anything?
We have to change
one of the points. Which one are we going to change? Yeah, but this one?
Yeah.
Alright, hang on. Okay. You're going the wrong way, Jake. It's coming. Not too fast, Jake. Now slow it down, otherwise you'll hit the buffers. No, don't hit the buffers. What we're going to do, you can make this train go now. Just don't unplug it, just leave it plugged in. Make your train go forward.
Why did they leave forward?
No, that's okay, that's okay. It's just because I've got the other controller, she hasn't done anything, watch. Now you... Okay, now you got it. Right, so I want you to start the train. It's going to come up here, alright? Slow, Jake, slow. Go on.
I have another wagon coming.
You know, I'm having a lot of fun today with the grandkids. Teaching Jake. Giving. And old Jake's bringing this in. Let's hope it doesn't derail. So bring it into the station, Jake.
Okay, I'm bringing this back.
Keep going. Is it stopped?
Yeah.
Hang on. I think I might have the points wrong. Hang on. What did silly Poppy do? Poppy forgot to change the points. That's why it stopped. Hang on. Okay, Jake, bring it forward now. I forgot to change the points.
Look, it's...
Stopped. Has it got stop on it? Press the stop button.
This one stopped.
Yeah, that one.
It's going...
Go on. Keep going. Now, don't go too far, Jake.
Okay. Well, do you want to turn that around?
I'll show you in a minute. Oh, Jake, you're doing well. Jake's bringing the 67721 up. Just... Yeah, slow it down, Jake. Slow it down. That's about it. Yeah. Neuschwanstein. Here we go. So this could come off here, Jake. You're doing well, Jake. I'm so proud of you. Slow it down, Jake. You don't want to smash into it. You know how to slow it down. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Go a bit faster. You're doing well, Jake. You've never used this controller. Jake's never used this. Slow it down. There you go.
Stop.
Well done. Give me 5. Thanks, Jakey.
I'm gardening.
He's gardening. God bless him. I hope you enjoyed my little video today. It's about teaching the kids. It's about having fun with them. Things I remember. Yeah, it's special. And sometimes I'm selfish. I want to just do it by myself, but you have to sort of think of others. You know? I've taught Jake to use this today. You know, give him not long I'll have a friend to play. I'll have my grandson playing trains with me. How good is that? But you've got to invest time. So, sorry for my lecture. It's not really a lecture. I'm just stating what I believe. Anyway, thanks for watching. So I made this tarp cover. It's not my idea. A bloke called Barry in South Africa showed me a video. And basically what you do is, this is a 13-ton high-sided steel open. So what you do is you put I put a couple of cotton reels in to show like I've got a load. Then you put glad wrap over it, cover the wagon right up. Then you put tissue paper over the top of that. I used about 3 or 4 layers. And then you put an elastic band down low. And then you just press it down into shape. Then I sprayed a 50-50 mix of wood glue and water on. Let it go hard. Then after that, you paint it. And then when it's dry, you cut the elastic band off, because there was all tissue paper down here. And anyway, you pull the whole thing off and it comes out with the, what do they call it, with the glad wrap. I pull the glad wrap out, cut with a pair of scissors. This is my idea, I put a couple of holes in, just a couple of little holes, and got, so that's tea bag string, you know, for tea bag jigglers. So anyway, I'm pretty pleased with it, and thanks to Barry for showing me. It's pretty good. So I've got some waterproof shade cloth. Keeps the rain off it, does have to, but more too importantly, it keeps the blazing sun off it in summer, because it will melt, it will distort plastic, especially here in Australia. I've also got little covers. They're only little cheap party sheets, just keeps the dust off. But anyway, yeah. Jake wants to say I've got a lamp here. I was given that. It works. He wants to see it going. I might light it.